Hello everyone, my name is Shourabh and welcome to my 17th video of HTML5 tutorial series. Today we are going to discuss how we can add background image to a web page or any div or block level elements. So let's begin. First of all, we will discuss how we can add background image to a div with the help of inline styles. To do that, first let's consider div. First we write div, then we write style, then equal to sign, then within double quote we write background image like this, then we write colon, then we write URL, then within first bracket and within single quote we write the name of the image. In this case it is image_girl.jpg. then close this like this. Let's save it and check in our browser. At the moment you can see you don't see any image here. That's because we didn't specify any width and height to the div. So let's say we give a width to the div here and we give a height. Now you can see the image is clearly visible here. Now if we want to add any text here, you can add, okay? Anything if you want to add, you can add here. See, you can simply add like this, okay? So there are some things to remember when you are using background image. You can specify background images to any visible HTML element, okay? In this example, the background image is used inside a div element, and by default the background image is repeating along the x-axis and along the y-axis, okay? You can see the difference if we increase the width here to say 700 pixel. You can see the background images is also repeating along the x-axis. You can see here the image ends here, but it is again beginning from here, okay? So that is the general rule of background image if you don't specify any background repeat property. We will discuss more about the background repeat property in our next tutorial. For now, just remember the background always repeats along the x and y axis, okay? So we can also add background images with the help of inline style. Simply if we remove this style from here, okay, we can add the style here as internal styles. We write div and within curly braces we simply add this thing. Yeah, it is fine. Let's change the width to 900 here to see the difference. You can see here we can also add the background image with the help of internal styles, okay? Next I will discuss how we can add background image on a whole web page. That means the whole frame of the web page, the background image will appear. How we can do that? To do that, we will use the internal style only. Here we will write body, then within curly braces we will write background image. then we write the URL of the background image. In this case, we will choose a different background image. Okay, and then simply save. Now let's check in our browser. You can see here the bokeh image appears in the background here. Here is our image of the div tag, and this is the image that we used in our body tag. Okay, so that's it for now, friends. If you understand this, we are ready to move on to our next tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Till then, bye.